to our mini vlog. We are here in Iriga City to explore local arts. In these street murals, we can see Filipino customs. We have here pagkamatanos, or righteousness, means to be right, especially in a moral way. Next is kapakumbabaan, or humility. It is a modest or low view of one's own importance or humbleness. Next is mapagpaunod or tolerant. Filipinos are willing to accept the beliefs, feelings, habits, or behaviors of another group, culture, etc. Next is pagkamalinig or cleanliness, the state or quality of being clean or being kept clean. Next is pagkamaorot or hardworking. We, the Filipino people, always work hard to support our loved ones financially so they can have a comfortable life. Pagkamagalang or politeness, a behavior that is respectful and considerate of other people.
City where culture is splendidly bright. Welcome to the beautiful city of Iriga. Come and visit the beautiful city of Iriga. Dagos po kamo sa syudad ni Iriga. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful city of Iriga. Get away to the city of springs. Come and let's take a trek to the towering mountain. City of smiles, where history's a pride. City where culture is splendidly bright. Welcome to the beautiful city of Iriga. Come and visit the beautiful city of Iriga. Dagos po kamo sa syudad ni Iriga. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful city of Iriga.
Hi everyone! Good day! We are here at Barangay San Agustin SK office to interview Honorable Jared Esmenda about his experience and inspiration of being an artist. Chairman, what inspired you to become an artist?
So, nung una, talagang nakahiligan ko lang drawing or malikot na lapis, colors. And then, nung dumating yung senior high school, doon na na-discover ko yung skills ko or yung talent ko sa pag-drawing. Yung subject namin sa art appreciation kay Sir John Francis Tanimon. So doon, para mas nalaman kung ano yung importance ng art ko, ano yung magandang naidudulot ng art or at ano yung naitutulong sa akin.
Being an artist po, how do you know when a painting is finished?
So, first, sa principles ng pag-drawing or sa art, syempre, kasi laging sabi sa akin or laging advice sa akin ng mga coaches ko during my time na nagka-contest pa ako nung high school and senior high school. Kasi nung high school and senior high school, I was also a contestant sa mga poster making contest, sa mga editorial cartooning. So, para, number one na kung paano mali-determine yung isang artwork na tapos or hindi is that unang-una, syempre, wala siyang space na kumaga ma-recognize mo talagang blanco. And then, pangalawa, based naman sa mga strokes or sa lines or sa theme mismo ng pagkakagawa mo ng artwork. So, kailangan buo yung tema or buo yung composition ng art mo, which is, kumbaga, makikita mo talaga sa actual na overall presentation na talagang balanse, malinis, at talagang, kumbaga, well-represented yung gawa. Sa pag-mural, kadalasan kapag halimbawa may mga white spaces ka or kadalasan yung pinaka-backdrop ng gawa mo, doon mo ma-determine talaga hindi pa tapos yung artwork kasi yun nga, may white spaces or blank spaces dun sa wall.
How do you handle criticism of your work?
So, number one, sa pagiging artist talagang challenging ang pagiging artist, especially kapag nagsisimula ka pala. Kasi dyan na nagsisimula yung criticism, yung maraming sinasabi yung iba na, yung pangit naman ang gawa mo, ganyan nga yung gawa mo, parang hindi pa siya magandang tingnan. So, number one na challenge yun sa artist kung paano niya i-develop yung sarili niya, yung skills niya, na kumbaga kung paano pa niya mas mapapaganda yung gawa. So, para sa akin yung criticism ng tao is a material or is a challenge sa mga artists na mas mapaganda nila or makakasa nila yung talento nila na meron sila. And at the end of the day, kapag halimbawa nagpatalo ka sa criticism, ikaw lang din naman yung talo kasi kumbaga nagpadala ka doon sa sinabi nila, which is dapat nagawin mo yun na kasangkapan para kumbaga mas mapabuti mo, mas mapaganda mo na susunod, na sa susunod makikita na yung artwork mo is malayo na kumpara sa simulang nakita nila na pinag-criticize mo. So, prove them wrong na you are not that type of artist na ay hanggang dito na lang ako, ito na lang yung kaya kong gawin. Kumbaga, ipakita mo sa kanya na I am becoming better every day na I spend your time as an artist and as an individual.
Authentic cuisine.